Hello, I'm Max Mishakov. In this video, I will try to answer the question, what is my tongue position in the lip roll exercise? To be honest, I didn't expect to hear this question because I don't do anything special with my tongue. It's just relaxed, it's just here. And then I just close my lips and do the same as this. You can see it's just relaxed. It's more important to keep your tongue relaxed. It may be here, it may be a little bit on the back. But the main idea is to keep it relaxed. Thank you for watching.